Okay, good morning, grade 5. Our lesson today is chapter 10, lesson 3, polygons. What are polygons? You heard about polygons before, but let's review and remember what are polygons. First, plane figures. What are plane figures? Plane figures are made up, follow the cursor please of the mouse. Plane figures are made up of points that are all in the same plane. They line on a flat surface. A plane figure is either an open or closed figure. Okay, open here on the left you have open figures, and on the right you have closed figures. On the left you have open. There is a side that is not here. They are not connected. 2 points, they are not connected. So it is called open shape. Like here, 2 points, they are not connected. So it is called open shape. Here, the closed shape, all the points are connected together. Okay, girls? So I will start to read from here. Okay, girls, follow me, please.
Okay.
Some closed plane figures are called polygons. Polygons, closed figures, closed, and focus on closed figures because open figures are not called polygons. Open figures are not called polygons. So, polygons are closed plane figures made up of line segments called sides. Called sides. So here we have many new words today we're going to study. Pairs of sides meet at a point called vertex. Plural is vertices and do not cross. So again, open figures, I have 2 points that they are not connected. Closed figures, all the points are connected. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Plane figures like those, like on the right and on the left. What about polygons? Polygons are closed plane figures. Closed, and I am focusing on closed plane figures made up of lines. So if you're going to tell me, teacher, circle is a polygon? No. The why, teacher, circle is not a polygon? It is closed figure. Yes, it is closed.
Because it has no sides.
Yes, it has no line segments. Circle is not made up of line segments. Circle is made up of curve, but it is not made up of line segments. That's why I am focusing on polygons. Polygons are closed plane figures made up of line segments. So closed and line segments. Closed and line segments. The line segments are called sides. Okay? Pairs of sides meet at a point called vertex. So now I learned polygon, now I learned sides, now I learned vertex. Okay, girls? Girls, look at the 2 shapes at the right. Heptagon and octagon. How many sides? Let's count. Let me write here or annotate so I can easily count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have here 7
sides.
7 sides. Okay. So what about the vertex? This point is called vertex. This point is called vertex. This point. So how many vertices? 1,
7,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. How many angles? You see? This is called angle. Okay, girls? Angle here.
7.
Has also 7 angles. So how many sides does a heptagon have, and how many angles it has? 7 sides
and 7 angles.
Okay, how many sides does an octagon have, and how many angles? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
5,
7,
6, 7,
7,
8. So it has 8.
8.
How many angles? 8 also. Okay, girls? Okay, next page, girls, please, page 329. Copy and complete. Number 9, I will answer now. Number 9, copy and complete the table of polygons. You may use your polygon models. Okay, girls? So, okay, heptagon. Heptagon, we have solved it before. It has number of angles 7. So how many sides it will have? 7 also. Okay, octagon, it has 8 sides also, 8 angles. Nonagon, 9, so it will have also 9. Decagon, 10.
So it's 10 angles.
10. Here you can draw any polygon that has 8, or any polygon that has 9, or any polygon that has 10. But make sure that when you are drawing, that they are closed. They will be closed by the end. Okay, let me try to draw one for you here. So now we draw a shape closed. Wait.
Teacher, the nonagon is
Yes.
not...
Now we draw a shape for the decagon that has 10 sides and they are all closed. And now we draw a shape for nonagon that has 9 sides and they are all closed. And we draw a shape for octagon. They are 8 sides and they are all closed. Okay? Let's move down. Polygons that have all sides of the same length and all angles of the same measure are called regular polygons. Regular polygons. So, if I have a shape that all its sides have the same length and all the angles have the same measure, this shape is called regular polygon. So what is the regular polygon? The regular polygon is a polygon that have all sides have the same length and all angles have the same measure. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Look at the figures below. Please stop drawing here on the screen. Polygons have all sides of the same length and all angles of the same measure are called regular polygons. Look at the figures below. Trace the figures and make a table of the concept to classify each. Okay. The regular, this one, this shape, and this one, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. And this one. Now, why this parallelogram are not? Because the parallelogram, every two corresponding or opposite sides have the same length, but not all the 4 sides are the same. So it is not regular. For the triangle also, it is not an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, the triangle that has the 3 sides equal. But this one doesn't look like an equilateral triangle, so the 3 sides are unequal, so I cannot call it regular polygon. Number 11 is a closed plane figure always a polygon? Who will answer me?
Me, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Tell me your name first.
Lujain.
Rajine, huh?
Yes, polygon is always a closed plane.
No. Listen to the question. Read the question one. Is a closed plane figure always a polygon?
Is a closed plane figure always polygon? Yes, it is.
No, because the circle is closed, but the circle is not a polygon. Because
Yes, it needs to have line segments.
yes.
If it doesn't have line segments, so it's not a polygon.
Number 12. Can a polygon have sides that are the same length and angles that are not the same measure? Yes. Okay, girls, we're done from this lesson now. I will pause.
Okay.
Now we're going to start chapter 10, lesson 6, quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. I know it's hard in the beginning to pronounce it, but it's you'll get used to do. It is called quadrilaterals. 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 Okay? Okay. What are quadrilaterals? Some quadrilaterals have special names like a trapezoid, a parallelogram, a rectangle, a rhombus, a square. Okay? So, quadrilateral is any shape that has 4 sides. 4 sides. Okay, girls? Any shape that has how many sides, girls?
4 sides.
So, a trapezoid, you have to study and memorize all the names of all the shapes and all the properties and the characteristics of all the shapes. So, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly a pair of parallel sides. What is parallel? What is parallel? Parallel means in the same direction. In the same direction. Okay? The 2 pink lines here are parallel. The 2 pink lines here are parallel. So I have this side is parallel and this side here is parallel.
Teacher, the homework today, page what?
Page 334. It is written on the screen, chapter 10, lesson 6.
Teacher, the homework.
I will give you, I will write for you, I will write it to you by the end of the lesson. Okay, girls. So, as you see here, any 2 lines that moving in the same direction and they will never meet, they are called parallel lines. Parallel lines. And any 2 parallel lines, I give them an arrow like this. To name them or to call them or to give them any sign so I can know that they are parallel. So a trapezoid. Here, follow the cursor, please. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. What is the meaning of pair? What is the meaning of pair?
Sides. It means 2.
Pair
2 things.
means 2. Pair means 2. So 2 parallel sides. 1 pair means 2 parallel sides. If I have 2 pairs means 2 and 2, so I have 4 parallel sides. Okay? Let's go to the parallelogram. It is called parallelogram. Parallelogram.
Does it have?
Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel congruent sides. Parallel congruent sides. So the 2 blue sides are parallel and congruent. Parallel and congruent means they are parallel and they have the same length. And the 2 red lines, they are parallel and they have the same length. Okay, girls? So the blue are parallel and have the same length. And Who is writing here? And girls, let me close this one. And the red are parallel and they have the same length. Okay? What about the rectangle? A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. 4 right angles. So the two blue are parallel and have the same length. The two red are parallel and have the same length. And they have 4 right angles. You learned from grade 4 what is right angle, and tomorrow or after tomorrow you will learn more. After tomorrow or maybe on Thursday you will learn more what are right angles, but study now. 4 right angles. Let me focus on the right angles. Here 1, 2, 3, 4.
Who's making the sound?
Mute yourself. A square is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are colored green. Why? Because all of them are equal in length. All of them are equal in length. And they have 4 right angles. Okay. Of course, this one here this one is parallel to this one, and this one is parallel to this one. A rhombus, a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. What is different between the rhombus and the square? The rhombus doesn't have 4 right angles, but the square do. The square has 4 right angles. A diagonal of a polygon is a line segment that joins 2 vertices of a polygon, but is not a side of a polygon. You see the red line here? It joins 2 vertices, but it is not a side. It is not a side. It is not a side. I am repeating, it is not a side.
Mama.
It is not a side. It is joining from inside the shape 2 vertices, but it is not a side. Okay, girls? Okay, girls, or no? Okay, if we are going to answer fast some questions, okay, for example here, classify each quadrilateral in as many ways as possible. So this one is rectangle, 1 is rectangle, you have to write fast, okay? 1 is rectangle, 2 is parallelogram, 3 is square, 4 is trapezoid, 5 is parallelogram, 6 is square, 7 is parallelogram, and 8 is rhombus. 1 rectangle, 2 parallelogram, 3 square, 4 trapezoid, 5 parallelogram, 6 square.
What is number 3?
Square, 7 parallelogram, and 8 rhombus. And if you missed anyone, you have all their names above here. If you missed any name, you have their names all above here. You can copy their name.
I'm done.
Okay,
teacher, I finished. Teacher, what is number 2?
Number 2 is parallelogram. Again, girls, I'm telling you, if you miss any name, you can copy the names from the names above. Now the
Done.
next part, because I have only
I miss a name.
I have only 5 minutes left. Page 335.
Done.
Page 335. Angles of a quadrilateral. The sum of the measures of angles of a quadrilateral is 360.
We took it.
360, which means that
It
this
can
one plus this
circle.
one plus this one plus this one, they are all
360.
They are all 300. What will be the kind of question you have from this one? You will be given an unknown one. How I will give it, how we're going to answer it? We will add 65 plus 118 plus 120 equals, I am adding all the angles together. 65
300
plus 118 plus 120, they are all 303. So 360 minus 303 equals to 57. Okay, girls? So now I'm going to answer this kind of question. I'm going to add the 3 angles. I'm going to add all the angles. Then subtract the sum from 360. Then subtract the sum from 360, like this one. 105 plus 63 plus 80 equals 63 plus 80 plus 105 equals 248 minus 360. So the unknown will be 112. Do it again. 105 plus 63 plus 80 equals 248.
So n equals 100.
So 360 minus 248 equals 112.
So 112 is n.
Okay, girls?